Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make an extremely easy pasta dish. It's perfect for lunch as a hot dish or it's perfect as a salad as well. So let's get started. This pasta is a healthier version because I'm using the whole wheat fusilli pasta. 250 grams cooked according to the packet instruction. And for the aesthetic view of this dish, I cut all the ingredients into half centimeter cubes. So we have one yellow bell pepper, one onion, 2 stalks of celery, 1 carrot, 1 shallot, and finely chopped 1 clove of garlic and half of chili pepper, and as well 15 ml of olive oil. Salt and pepper, of course, to taste. So let's get started. On medium heat, as usual, add the 15 ml of olive oil, add the onions, fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes until softened and started to caramelize. Add the carrots and fry for about 1 minute or so. Add the celery, pepper, and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the tomatoes and just about 15 ml of water as well. Mix it well and fry it as well for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how well done you would like the veggies. This is basically a recipe of more or less al dente veggies and pasta, so you don't want to fry them off too much. Otherwise it's going to be like a ragu, but you want them to keep this vibrant color and a beautiful taste as well. So when the veggies soften a bit, add the garlic and the chili. Give it a good mix and add the cooked pasta. Mix it well until everything is incorporated. Add a bit more water if needed. So like about 15 ml on each addition. Mix it well and let it steam on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes as well. Decorate with some fresh basil for the taste as well. And the pasta is ready to be served. This was my recipe of whole wheat, healthier version of pasta. As I said earlier, you can use it as a cold or hot dish and it's perfect at any time of the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new video, healthy, interesting and quick recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.